Welcome back to the Toy Hunter channel, and guess what? It's review time! Okay guys, I was just sent this beautiful projector water wave light for the holidays, and this is from Lemo Limited on Amazon, and I will provide the links all below for you. But check this out, we have a beautiful water wave light with 16 different animated patterns, and I believe there's 10 different wave colors as well. So we're going to check this out. We're going to get it set up tonight and do a light test, but let's go ahead and do an unboxing and see what's inside. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what we got. First thing we got a little set of instructions. Should be fairly easy to make this thing work and figure out. And then we have, well, let's see here. Oh, okay, it's all connected into one. We have the light itself, and you can see right here we have two different lenses here. So we have the water wave, which is going to be there, and here's your projection lens. So that looks very cool. This thing is waterproof as well. Right here is going to be where we clip on our base, I believe, and then we just have our standard plug. So not bad. And then what else we got? We have the remote control. Let's take that bad boy out. It's got the little protector in there, so let's remove that so we know it will work. But that's good that they saved the battery. And then what do we have? We have a base as well. Let's see. Here's a little base. You've got 3 screw holes there, so that's going to come in handy if we need to mount it anywhere tightly. And let's see what else we have. Okay, here is, looks like our little neck mechanism to make everything pivot and swirl. Yeah, that's going to connect to the bottom, and a couple screws in there as well. Don't want to lose those, so I'm going to keep that to the side. And then it looks like we have, here's all the slides, guys. Look at this. Here's all the different slides that we have. Come on, open up, bag. Oh, look at this. There's all the different slides right here. So I can see 4 different images here. This one looks like, I can't tell. Actually, my eyes are so bad, I can't tell what they are from here. Here goes some stars. Oh, here's some fall stuff, Thanksgiving. See turkeys and pumpkins. Here goes some Halloween here. I got a ghost. Again, you guys can't see, so I'm not going to waste my time explaining what's in there. We'll put them up, and we'll check them out when we get some darkness tonight. Okay, guys, so I just want to point out that I did miss the yardstick that was in the box. So it does have that. It's nice and pointy, so that's going to go in nicely. Screws in there as well. I have the base on here, so I just want to show you that. Goes in, and you can pivot here, lock. I'm going to do this on my garage, so that's why I put this base on there. And then really what I really want to show you was here. So let's go ahead and let's loosen this up. Let me tilt it back. Now the slides go in right here on the top. So we have these 2 little screws that you just kind of manually unscrew. And once they're loose, come on, almost there. Actually, it tightens them pretty well. It's nice and waterproof. There's a rubber seal here. So you got a nice little gasket to seal out any kind of water from getting in during the rain. And we have a slide already inserted. So they just insert like that very easily. This one has Christmas in there, so let's go ahead and let's start with Christmas since that was already in there. And yeah, just slides back in, and you put the top back on, and then you are good to go. So we're going to wait for it to get a little darker here because it's still bright outside. So once it's dark enough, we'll go ahead and we'll try a little test, see what we got. Alright guys, so there are the images right there, and we're going to play with the remote control a little bit. I know there is a flash effect, so let's go ahead and let's try to make them flash by using the remote. You just kind of hit this button, and you can make them flash at different speeds. There's faster, and then it kind of slows down again, or you can just bring it all the way back down so it's steady. Now that's good. There's also a speed mode, so there's complete pause, and then you can speed it up with there's speed 1, here is speed 2, and then speed 3, and speed 4. There's 4 speeds on there, so you can make it go as fast as you want, or you can slow them down to wherever you want. So let's leave it right there on nice and slow. Now let's go ahead and turn on the water effect, which has 4 different colors, but you can blend as well. So here is green, and now you kind of lose the images a little bit when you turn on the green. Let's turn off the green, and let's try white. So here's white, and you kind of lose the images again there, but it looks pretty cool. And you can also change the speed of the colors as well. Let me try to change the speed. Oh, that's turning on the color. I don't want that. Hey, stop that. I don't know what I just did, guys. Still trying to figure this out. All right, turned off the light completely. I want to make the speed faster on the waves. All right, so there's frozen. Here's slow. There's faster. And there's another faster. Oh, you know what I did? I turned on like an intermittent kind of thing. I don't want that. I want regular colors. All right, so there's, oh, okay. That did that on its own. How do I just get regular colors? I'm trying to figure this out. I know there's a way. I don't want it to change colors. I got to figure out what I did though. I don't know what I did. Stop that. I don't want you to change colors anymore. Let me turn that all the way down. Let's see. All right, here's blue. Oh, I think I figured it out now. All right, so the blue looks really good actually. I like the blue. Everything stands out nice and vibrant, and the blue looks really cool. Now what you can do is you can add on colors to this. So I know with the blue, you can actually turn on the white and the blue at the same time. Somehow. I did it earlier. There we go. There's the blue and the white at the same time. And then you could turn on the green and the blue, mix those together. And then the red and the green can mix together as well. I don't think, oh, there's the red and the blue. That kind of makes a cool purpley pink galaxy kind of thing. So it's really nice. But I think I like the blue the best. The blue looks really good. Here's the green. I like that too. That one looks really good. The icy kind of frozen kind of colors right there. Let's go ahead and turn off the blue now. Leave it on green. And the green looks good too. All the images stand out pretty well. You do lose it right there on the middle, well, on the edges a little bit. I think the blue and the green look really good though. I think that brighten lightens enough to kind of, you can see the images and you get that Christmas color going on. So I really like it. Let's go ahead and let's pause this and let's try Halloween. All right, and now we have Halloween time. That is looking really good. I like these images. These images are really clear. Once they hit that middle kind of area, they are nice and crisp. So that looks really good. I have the blue going right now. Let's go ahead and let's change to, let's try the blue and let's try the red, I guess. Oh, yeah, because you know what? I have my remote control upside down, of course, and I'm switching colors again, and I don't like when I do that. I don't like the flash color mode. I just don't like how it changes colors. That's an automatic setting. And it's dark outside, so I can't see the remote to change it. Trying to get that away. All right, there's red. Here we go with green. Green looks kind of spooky. I like that. I love the blue and the green image. Let's turn off that green. I just love the blue the best. I think it's just dark enough to give you some effect. And you don't lose the images. Kind of with the other ones, you lose the images. There's white with the blue. There's white all together. Don't like that. There's the images by themselves. So those look really cool as well. Let's try red. Red, you still kind of lose some of the images. And then red with the blue, you get that purple effect. So looks really cool. But I love the blue. So this is what you got. You got 16 different slides. They all look really good. You have 10 different watercolor effects that you can create and do with these different color settings. The remote control has a lot of features on it, actually, for such a small remote. And I'm pleased overall. I mean, this is covering my whole garage, and I'm maybe 8 feet away from my garage right now. So that is really cool. You don't need a ton of space to do all your stuff in. You can do a short throw shot and get a really good effect, guys. So you know what? Let's see what it looks like. Actually, let's do the colors without the logo, the gobo images. So there you got your blue right there. Oh, there you got nothing. There's blue. Let's add some white in there. There's the blue and white mix. Really cool. Here's the blue and red. No, here's the red. And then here's the red and blue. Come on. I keep hitting the wrong buttons, guys, because I'm in the dark and I can't see. There's the red and blue. Sorry about that. Patience with me. I'm trying here. I like that red and blue. That looks really cool. Let's add some green in here. There's the red and green. I don't know. I just like it, guys. It looks good. There's the blue and red again, and there's the blue. So very cool product, guys. I'm going to put the link down in the description below. Go ahead and buy this for Christmas. Buy this for Halloween. Buy it for New Year's, Valentine's Day. I saw all kinds of different gobos in there. You have fireworks. You have birthday parties. I think there was pets in there at one point. So check it out, guys. It is very cool. I'm going to turn the gobo back on, let that roll. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. This is a very nice product, guys. So description below. Go check it out. Happy Halloween. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, guys.